Hello guys and welcome to another video. This is Liakoras Moments, and today we're gonna talk about the best games that you can install on your Android box or even your smart TV. The games that I'm gonna show you, you can find them on Google Play Store and they're gonna be for free. And at the end I'm gonna present you a couple more good options, but they're gonna be with payment. If you saw from the previous videos, I'm using the Xiaomi Mi Box 4K, and if you wanna see the full review of this product and the 5 best apps that you can install on it, it's gonna be in the description below. Now let's go to see the best games out there that you can download from Google Play Store, and you can also play those games with your remote control or even connect a controller. So the first one, and one of my favorite, is Pacman. Pacman 256. I don't think I need to introduce this game, we all know Pacman, old classic game that reminds us of our childhood. The Pacman 256 was inspired by the famous level 256 glitch on the original Pacman. So on this one you have the glitch coming after you from below and you have to move always up. At least this time you can fight the ghosts with the power pellets and the lasers that you collect on the map. The game was nominated as the best mobile handheld game on the Game Awards in 2015, was the best Google game of 2015, and was in the 10 most talked games of 2015. And we still talk about it in 2021. This never-ending Pacman maze game was made from the creators of the Crossy Road, which is the next game on my list. So Crossy Road is an arcade video game developed and published by Hipster Whale in 2014. On this game you first start with a chicken, as the name and the concept of the game playing on the age joke why did the chicken cross the road. But after you can unlock many characters as the koala, the basketball player and much more. The goal of the game is to collect as many coins by crossing the roads, hop across logs, train tracks, rivers and hop endlessly forever. In the official page of Guinness World Records, there is actually a world record of 4,195 points made from Joshua Beasley. You can find also a video of this record and you will be amazed how good he played. The video is like 30 minutes of playing, and me usually if I survive like 20 seconds, that's a success. I'll skip the video of the record to the end to see what happened to the chicken. And as you can see, the chicken gone by a truck. At the end, guys, the game is simple, pure, innovative and perfect for all family. Next game on our list is the Badland. Badland is an outstanding action-adventure game with innovative physics, deviously creative levels and a stunning atmospheric graphics and audio. It released in 2014 from Frogmind and won multiple awards. In the game you just need to tap one button to fly and survive through obstacles. You can play the game single player and co-op by connecting more controllers up to 4 people, and as well as multiplayer. It is a very nice game with cute creatures and smooth gameplay that can be challenging and interesting. If you are enjoying the video, click the like button and feel free to share with us in the comment section below which game is your favorite. Next one we have Fast Like a Fox. This game reminds me of origami. The game was developed by Way Before Limited and you play with a fox that runs and collects coins. The graphics and the music are very nice and it's a very pleasant game to play. Next one we have the Trials Frontier. Developed by Red Links and published by Ubisoft, it's a motorcycle game where you can ride on multiple extreme tracks, performing tricks and stunts. If you're a fan of good graphics, you'll definitely will love this game. If you like the previous one, you will also like the Asphalt 8 Airborne. Asphalt 8 is a racing game from 2013 developed by Gameloft. You can play this game single player or multiplayer online. The game won multiple awards and have more than 120 million downloads. You can also connect the game with a controller for a better control. The only downside is that it takes too much space on your storage. Next one on the list is the Bomber's Friend. This is a nice game to play multiplayer and compete with people around the world. On the game you can collect power-ups and shields and you have to bomb your opponents. It's a very nice game that you will need strategy to win every battle. Next one we have is the Bomb Squad. Bomb Squad released surprisingly in 2011 from Eric Fromlind. It's a very nice game with extraordinary good graphics and gameplay. It is required a gamepad as there is many abilities that you will need to use. I think it is one of my favorite together with Pacman and Crossy Road. You can play online and co-op with your friends and have many characters and maps to choose from. By the way, if you like watching gaming, you can find my gaming channel, which is Xiaomi Moments Gaming, and you can find me also on Facebook and Twitch for the lives. It's gonna be Xiaomi Moments. All the information gonna be in the description below. Next, let's go to a couple paid options that you may like. First, of course, we have the GTA Chinatown Wars. Rockstar will never let you down, so here we are talking about the masterpiece on your TV box. Like GTA 1 and 2, you look the game from above, but with a better angle. You can either play the campaign or just steal cars and explore the city. Next one we have the Altos Adventure. Altos Adventure is an endless runner snowboarding game made by snowmen. The game moves to different landscapes and you will need just to jump above obstacles like rocks or houses, and you can also perform tricks. Next paid option is The Walking Dead. The Walking Dead is an episodic adventure video game developed and published by Telltale Games. It is based on the Walking Dead comic book and consists of 5 episodes. The actions and the choices on the game will affect the story. Episode 1 is for free, so you can try it and see if it's worth it to purchase.
Are you sure?
Shit!
Oh, shit! Okay, then. Clementine, can you look for something to stick in between the handles? Something real strong, okay?
Okay.
Clementine, did you find anything?
Nothing. Wait.
The window is screwed. Go!
I found something.
Last option that we have, and it's a very similar mystery game from the developer that we saw The Walking Dead, is The Wolf Among Us. This game is a thriller based on the award-winning Fables comics books. Here also the episode 1 is for free, and if you want to continue the story, you'll need to buy it. But at the end, all of those payment options that I present to you, really worth it, and they're amazing games.
Hollow point bullets are a nasty business. The silver slug deformed and shredded on impact.
He'll be okay, though. He'll be okay?
His internal organs are positively riddled. If I don't extract every single scrap of silver, he's liable to suffer some long-term toxicosis. Easy there. Try not to move.
Bigby.
We can't keep meeting this way, old boy. I figured I'd be done before you were conscious, but there's little I can do for the pain.
What happened to me?
There was...
You got lucky and found yourself in the care of a most skillful surgeon. Me.
Please, Bigby, don't move it. Doctor.
Look, I'm a bit engaged saving his life at the moment, but if the fractured extremity concerns him that much, he can set it himself.
So guys, let me know from which of those you like the most, and if you know another one worth mentioning, let us know in the comment section below so we can all go and check it out as well. And don't forget to leave a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe for more interesting videos like this one. Thanks for watching guys, I'm gonna see you in the next one.